Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today we are going to find out the most effective ways to use vitamin E capsules. Let's get started. Under eye cream. In a small bowl, mix aloe vera gel with vitamin E capsule until well combined. When aloe vera gel and vitamin E oil mix together, it will reduce the puffiness and dark circles. Vitamin E oil's antioxidant properties reduces the fine lines and wrinkles. Once mixed, you can see the creamy-like consistency. Transfer it to any small container and keep it in room temperature. Take a small amount with your ring finger. Massage around your eye area before going to bed. Magic hair oil. Take any carrier oil like coconut, castor, olive. Here I am mixing coconut oil, castor oil and olive oil in equal quantities. And then I am adding 2 vitamin E capsules to it. Do not apply vitamin E oil on your hair directly. Always mix it with carrier oils. Mix all the oils well. Apply and massage your hair from roots to tips. This combination will do wonders to your hair. Lip mask. Take 1 tablespoon honey and add 1 vitamin E capsule to it. Mix well. Apply this mixture before going to bed on your lips. This will work as a sleeping mask. It will repair chapped lips and makes it soft and supple. Apply a small amount of honey and vitamin E mixture on your lips. Massage for 1 minute. Night cream. Take any non-oily moisturizer in a small container and add 1 vitamin E capsule to it. Mix until it is well combined. Now you can use this as a night cream. Take a small amount, apply and massage on your face and neck. Wake up with soft and supple skin. Face mask. Here I am using sandalwood powder. You can add vitamin E capsule in any face mask. To the sandalwood powder I am adding 2 vitamin E capsules. Then I am adding rose water and glycerin mixture. Mix all the ingredients well until it is well combined. Apply the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. This mask will provide soft and supple skin instantly and makes your skin glow naturally. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.